And then your home may need a foundation if your house is unreinforced concrete foundation wall and that is crumbling. If you can take a screwdriver and a hammer and you can pound that screwdriver without a lot of effort in through the foundation and it comes out crumbly or powdering, that's a pretty good indicator that this would be an unreinforced concrete wall and is ready for replacement. And your home may need a new foundation if your house has basically no foundation wall at all, like in this picture of this old West house. This is probably a bad example because it's a tear down, but there are many old houses that look like they're pretty good, but they just have loose stones, and those loose stones just really aren't providing a foundation at all. And there's no way a house like that is going to make it through another 20 to 100 years.